Is criminal investigation considered an art or a science? For me, as a criminology student, criminal investigation is actually both art and a science. Why? Because it involves using scientific methods while also relying on skills, judgment, and experience. First, let's look at the scientific side. Criminal investigators use a lot of forensic science like analyzing DNA, fingerprints, or digital evidence to figure out what happened at a crime scene. These methods are based on science and experiments, which make the investigation more accurate and reliable. For example, DNA testing can connect a suspect to a crime scene with high certainty, and forensic experts use lab techniques that are constantly improving. But wait, investigation isn't just science. There's an art to it too. Investigators need to interpret evidence, understand human behavior, and make decisions even when information is limited. This part relies on experience, intuition, and critical thinking. For instance, forensic artists can sketch a suspect face based on witness description, which helps solve cases even though it's not purely scientific. What's interesting is that the arts and science side work together. Scientific evidence give objective facts, but investigators have to analyze and piece everything together like a puzzle. Even things like forensic animation in court show how science and creativity combine to help juries understand complicated events. So, in conclusion, criminal investigation can't be just one or the other. It's both an art and a science. Science gives us tools and proof, while the art comes in how we interpret and use those tools to solve crimes. Both are equally important in making investigation effective and fair.